Hello, so we are here today for a review of the classic SD of Victorinox. So it's 58 millimeters in length, and it's about 9 millimeters in width, and the weight is 21 grams. We will go through the tools. We have the blade, of course. Then we have a file, a nail file, with at the end a flathead screwdriver. And then we have the scissors, tiny but really efficient and really good. And we have, of course, the tweezers, and the toothpick. And that's it. So really beautiful tiny knife. Not a lot of functions, but still it's good. It's a good keychain and useful. It came with in this, so it's the 0.6223. Yeah, so that's it for today, and see you for another video. See you next time.